minute. Who are you? You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you already watched this video, you already clicked this video, you might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. Okay? So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I made the stacked cargo pants for my birthday. I'm pretty sure all y'all seen it, so yeah, let's just get into this video. Before we get into the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah. Okay, so for this, I started off with some fabric from Hobby Lobby. The fabric was $12.99 a yard, but it was on sale, so it was $6.99 a yard, and I got 2 yards. So yeah. Okay, so I got this fabric from JOANNS, and I'm going to make some stacked cargo pants from it for my birthday. So all you want to do is take some pants that you already have, how you like the fit of it, and cut around it. Okay, so I want my pants to be high-waisted, so I'm going to cut it a little higher than where it should be, and I'm going to cut around a seam, and I want it to be stacked, so I'm going to cut it longer, so about right. And then you just do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so now that I have the 2 parts cut out, all I'm going to do is turn the inside out. And pin along the curve. Okay, so I have the pants together. I'm going to turn both of them inside out. All I'm going to do now is sew a line down each side of the pants. And I'm going to leave this part open so I can be able to add the pockets on there. So I'm just going to sew down these sides of the pants. Okay, so now I'm going to make the pocket. I'm going to keep it double layered. And just going to cut out a square or a rectangle. One, I'm going to have 4 pockets. And then I'm going to have 2 smaller pockets, so 2 skinnier pockets like. Then you just want to make the tops for them, and you still want to keep it double layered. Also going to make a side pocket like this, but it's going to be on top of the pants. I'm only going to do 1 layer for this one. Bam. This is going to be the side pocket, and then these are going to be the cargo pockets and the tops like this. I want to turn them inside out and then sew around the bottoms like this, only like this. And then for the lids, The tops, I'm going to sew around the whole thing. I'm going to sew around the whole thing and leave a small hole to pull the fabric through. So yeah. And for these, I'm just going to sew right on top of the pants. Okay, so I have the pants sewed and the pockets sewed, and now I'm just going to turn the pants the right way and lay out the legs flat. Just so I can put the the pockets on. I'm just gonna show one leg. Okay, so I'm gonna put a big pocket up here. And all I'm going to do is pin it anywhere I want it. Bam. And then for the top, this is how the top should look. You're going to put it wherever, facing up, then sew under here, and then when you sew it, it should fold down like this. Bam. And then you just do that to the second pocket. I'm gonna put a small pocket like right here. Bam. And all you're gonna do is sew around the whole patch and then sew one line right here. Okay, I sewed on all the pockets. On both sides. Now I'm just going to sew the middle part together, the part I did not sew before, to close up the pants right here, and then just go all the way down until I get to the bottom. Just gonna sew all the way down, starting from the middle part. So yeah. Okay, so here's the pants. All I gotta do now is add the pockets right here and add the elastic band. I'm gonna add the elastic part first, and then I'm gonna add the pockets like right here. I think that'll be fine. Okay. Okay, so now to add the pockets. All I'm gonna do is fold and pin. And you just do the same thing for this side and just sew around. Okay, so after everything is sewed, even though y'all already saw it, here's the final result.